A federal high court in Abuja has ordered the chairman of the Code of Conduct Tribunal, Danladi Umar, to appear before the Nigerian Senate, who is set to probe him on allegations of misconduct brought against him in a public petition. The court dismissed Mr. Umar's suit instituted against the Senate and others, seeking to stop them from investigating him over actions he took at Banex Plaza in Abuja on March the 29th, 2021. Judiciary correspondent Celestine Area reports.
Justice Iyang Eko, in a judgment, held that the case of the CCT chairman lacked merit and there was no cogent reason to stop the Senate from undertaking its constitutional functions. He sought the interpretation of Section 88 and 89 of the Constitution by the court and for the court to give him protection or refuge. But the court insists that a public officer administering law relating to conduct for public officers, Mr. Umar has no reason to institute the suit, stopping the Senate from investigating a public petition seeking justice on moral standards. Furthermore, the Code of Conduct Bureau and the Code of Conduct Tribunal are established by an Act of the National Assembly 2010, and as such, he is subject to investigation by the National Assembly. The court in its findings also held that Section 2 of the Code of Conduct Bureau Act exposes Mr. Umar to be investigated by the National Assembly more than any other Nigerian, and it would be illogical for him to stop the probe, as doing so would give an impression that he is above the law. The court held that the declarative relief sought by Mr. Umar for an injunction against the Senate cannot be granted because his case lacked merit.
But what the court has done is to, embark on a voyage, go into the Code of Conduct Act, and that is, an inferior law compared to the Constitution. Provision of Section 88 is very, very clear that the purpose of investigation is to expose corruption. Okay? It is for the purpose of making law and exposure of corruption. But what the court has done is interpreting something that is not before the court. Well,
on 29th March 2021, a video of Mr. Umar allegedly assaulting a security guard at Banex Plaza in Abuja made rounds on social media. The former head of press and public relations of the Code of Conduct Tribunal, Ibrahim Al-Hassan, in a press statement on the incident, denied the allegation, insisting that it was Mr. Umar that was assaulted by a group he referred to as Biafran Boys. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.